Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda and medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to solve the most common confusion, that is what we can add in our morning water. Whether it should be amla aloe vera juice, whether it should be lemon, whether it should be honey or nothing. Like I mentioned in many of my videos, like in the morning, the first thing that you need to do when you get out of your bed, go and have 2 glasses of lukewarm water. Because this lukewarm water in the morning, if you are drinking, this is also known as Ushapan in Ayurveda, that is morning water, and it is very beneficial to detox your body. But many people are getting confused, like whether they should add something in this morning water, whether they can add lemon, whether they can add honey, or what to do. So this video is all about what you can add in the morning water. So first thing that you need to do when you get out from the bed, that is you need to have 1 glass of lukewarm water or warm water. If you have Pitta body type, that is more Ushna in your system, more heat in your system, then you go for lukewarm water. If you are Vata body type, then you have a choice. Either you can go for warm water according whatever is suitable for you, or you can have lukewarm water. And if you have Kapha body type, try to have warm water in the morning. Try to have water which is little hotter than lukewarm in the morning, that is almost warm water in the morning. When you are taking this warm water, take it neat, don't mix anything in it, neither aloe vera, neither honey, nothing. You just drink it as it is. That is the first thing that you need to do in the morning. This water will act as a natural detoxifier in your body. As you know, when you get up in the morning during the sleep, there is a lot of healing that happens in the body, and a lot of these toxins get deposited in our body here and there. So it is the time in the morning when you drink this water, it is the time to flush out these toxins. So this water acts as a natural detoxifier, and you would be surprised to know, if it is warm water, it will not stay in your stomach more than 5 to 6 minutes. It just takes maximum 15 minutes to digest this water. But if you are drinking cold water takes more time to get digested. So it is better if you boil water at night, let it cool in the room temperature, and in the morning make it little bit lukewarm and then drink it. This boiled water get quickly digested in our body as compared to filtered water. Regarding water, I already have created many videos. You can go through my channel and you can watch the benefits, and in details I have explained like how much time which water will take to digest. So you can have this lukewarm water in the morning. So people were asking when we can have honey in the morning. You can have honey in the morning after half an hour of this glass of water. You can have water with honey half an hour after this glass of water, so that your detox happened naturally, and after that you are drinking something nutritious. The good quality about honey is it get quickly mixed up with our blood, it get very quickly digested. That is the property of honey. But when you are adding honey in the water should not be warm. If you are drinking honey in the morning or 1 spoon of honey in the morning, you should mix it with lukewarm water, not warm water or hot water. Because if you put a spoon of honey in warm water, it totally loses its properties. So there is no use of then mixing honey with water, and it is not so good for health. In Ayurveda, there is clear contraindication that you should never ever heat honey. And many people are doing, they are taking 1 glass of water, they are putting a spoon of honey into it, and then they are heating that water. So this is totally no. What you need to do, you already take lukewarm water and that you can add 1 spoon of honey, but never heat water after adding honey. And also people were asking, like if their honey got sedimented, like it became thick, it just solidified for some reasons, what we can do? Can't we heat it to make it melted? You cannot directly heat honey. There is a way in Ayurveda how you can heat honey. You take a tumbler, in that boil some water that is there in the tumbler. You can put your honey bottle. So, if you are melting this honey with indirect heat, this is good for health, but if you are directly heating honey, that is not good for health according to Ayurveda. Also, so this was one aspect for those who are drinking honey. Those who are drinking aloe vera juice in the morning, many people are complaining after having aloe vera juice, they feel sometimes acidity problems. So, why this acidity happens? Usually aloe vera is not causing any acidity. Aloe vera heals acidity. People are complaining when they are mixing aloe vera and amla juice, they are feeling acidity. They are taking 1 glass of water, mixing 1 spoon of aloe vera and 1 spoon of amla juice, and then they are feeling acidity after drinking it. So, regarding this also I would like to say, as you know, in Ayurveda amla and aloe vera both are medicines. So, we need to take it as a medicine. So, what is the best way to take it as a medicine? If you are taking 1 spoon of amla or 1 spoon of aloe vera, put 8 times water in it, that is mix it well with 8 spoons of water and then drink it as it is, like we drink arisht or asavs. We do not mix asav in a big glass of water. So, similarly this aloe vera and amla also you need not to mix in a big glass of water. You need to take little bit water and in that you need to mix, and this is how you need to drink. If you are drinking like this, it will yield health and it will not enhance acidity by any chance. So, all those of you who are feeling this problem, you try amla and aloe vera juice like this way, then this will not cause acidity. Many people were asking, can they have lemon in the morning, lemon water? Yes, they can have a big glass of water, squeeze lemon in it and they can take. It is a very good remedy even for weight loss also, and it is very detoxified drink, so you can make use of it. But make sure the water should be either warm or lukewarm, then only it will be beneficial for you. Otherwise, if you are drinking this kind of water which was not boiled earlier and it is just filtered water, then it cause in the stomach bloating. So, in the morning you will feel a lot of bloating after drinking water, but if the water is boiled water from previous night, then it will not cause any bloating. So, this precaution you need to take. After that you can go for your defecation, taking shower, doing exercise, whatever you want to do, you can do. Other than lemon and honey, because lemon and honey can be mixed in big glass of water because they quickly mixed in the blood. But if you are taking any kind of Ayurveda medicine, it should always be taken in proper quantities with proper water. You should not take these things with excess of water, otherwise it will cause bloating, because the dose of medicine will become diluted and the quantity of medicine will become excess. So, this is the small tip that you need to pay attention, and that's all, and you can have a benefit of morning water. And best to drink this morning water in a squatting posture, because especially the first glass of water, that is lukewarm water or warm water, that is how in Ayurveda we have mentioned how to drink water in the squatting posture. If not in squatting posture is not possible for you because of certain joint pains or anything, then you can have water in sitting on chair, but never drink water while standing, because in Ayurveda we never recommend eating or drinking anything in standing posture. Because when we sit in squatting posture, our stomach position is in a certain way. Our diaphragm, you know, the organ that separates our chest and abdomen, that is in a certain way, and there is different kind of pressure they put on your stomach when you are squatting posture or in you are sitting in chair. So, it is very important, like how to sit, how to drink, so that you will yield the maximum benefits. Also make sure like you do not drink excess of water in the morning, like more than 2-3 glasses. This is enough, because sometimes people are drinking 5-6 glasses in the morning and then they are complaining of bloating and assuming like it will refresh their body, but it does not happen like this. You need to take limited quantities according to your body weight, according to your body type, according to your prakriti, according to your digestive fire. That is very important. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like this video, and if you're watching me for the first time, there's a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Hit the bell icon, click the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there's a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who have any question, please write your questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. Also, those of you who want to have consultations, please write to me on this email address. I will try to schedule it as soon as possible. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and with this note I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care.